Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Herrman. I'm a dermatologist or skin doctor at the University of Alabama in Birmingham. Today, we're going to be talking about the dangers of indoor tanning. Although they're popular, I hope to show you just how dangerous tanning beds are. Come to my office with me and let's meet a patient to discuss this. Hello, Mrs. Kilman. I'm
Hey.
Dr. Herrman. It's so nice to meet you.
Hey,
How
Dr.
are you?
Herrman. I'm doing great.
Well, good. What can I do for you today?
Well, I'm so excited. My family is taking a 7-day cruise next month to the
Oh, wow,
Bahamas.
that sounds so exciting.
Yes, I'm so happy. And I wanted to ask you about a tanning package. My sister, my niece, and myself, we all bought a 1-month tanning package ahead of time so that we can lay down a base tan before we get on that cruise. That way we won't burn. Is that okay with you, or what do you think?
That's such a good question, and it's a question that a lot of patients have. But the bottom line is no tan is a safe one. Even a base tan, it really doesn't offer any protection at all. A base tan, it's the equivalent to about an SPF of 3. And that's like a wet white t-shirt. And anyone that's been to the beach with a wet white t-shirt on knows that that doesn't offer much protection. You can get that sunburn right through there. So it really doesn't protect your skin at all, and it gives you a sense of, security, false security. You think that you've got this protective base tan, so then you don't wear your sun protective clothing or your sunscreen and you end up burning even more. So I really wouldn't recommend going to the tanning salon at all, and certainly not to get a base tan because it's not protective at all for you or for any of your family.
Oh, darn. We were really looking forward to getting that tan going and trying to prevent that burn. Are you sure even just for a month?
Well,
it's not good?
It's really not. We have so many studies now that have shown that tanning really increases your risk for all forms of skin cancer, including melanoma, which is the most dangerous type of skin cancer. A lot of people think that when they go in to the tanning bed, it's somehow a safer environment because it's more controlled, there's time limits, but it's really not. Some papers have shown that the actual rays coming out of the tanning beds are up to 15 times stronger than noonday sun. That's really intense, and that's certainly something that you don't want to expose yourself to, especially without sun protection.
Oh, goodness. Oh boy, that's going to be real disappointing for us. I don't know, we're used to the sun, and we love that good tan. That it makes us feel good. It makes us.
It's really interesting you say that, because a lot of people do say that. They say that it makes them feel good to have a tan, and when they are tanning. And what we've learned is that tanning can actually be addictive. A lot of studies have now shown that younger and younger people are becoming addicted to the tanning beds. And really what the thinking is that when the light from the bed hits your skin, it stimulates the production of feel-good molecules called endorphins. And those endorphins make people want to tan again and again.
Wow.
Those are exactly the same feel-good molecules that nicotine in cigarettes produce. And everyone knows how addictive cigarettes can be. So it's really quite scary that these same molecules are produced when people get in the tanning beds. So it's really, I know that you want to go to have some type of base tan, but it's really not safe for your skin. If you do want some color, a spray tan is a much safer option.
Okay.
You can do it at home with a self-tanner, or go and actually get a spray tan, but it can give you a little bit of color if you want that. But your skin is beautiful the way it is. You don't need a tan for it to look good. It's much healthier if you don't have a tan at all.
Okay. All right. Well, I guess I'll go see if I can cancel that package.
Okay.
Thank you,
Well,
Dr.
I think
Herrman.
that is a great idea. I hope you guys have a wonderful time on the trip.
Thank you so much.
So here are the most important things to remember. First, there's no such thing as a healthy tan, and base tans are not protective. Any tan is really a sign that your skin has been damaged. Second, tanning increases your chances of getting all types of skin cancer, including melanoma, the most dangerous type of skin cancer. Tanning even once increases your risk for getting melanoma by 75%. That's huge. And finally, melanoma is on the rise. It's now the most common type of cancer in those aged 25 to 29, and the second most common type in those aged 15 to 29. And those are the exact same ages of the people who are tanning. So it's just not worth it. Don't go get a tan. Stay out of the tanning beds.